Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Everyday science solved MCQ. Question number 49. Which one is the major source of Earth population? Water, air emission from fossil fuels, combustion, plastic, industrial. Correct answer B. Question number 50. Who is the inventor of lightning rod? Thomas Edison, Nikola Tesla, Benjamin Franklin, Alessandro Volta. Correct answer C. Question number 51. Fiber optic is used in high-speed data transmission invented by Charles K. Cow, Narinder Singh Company, John Lloyd Barrett, Tim Berners-Lee. Correct answer B. Question number 52. Baking soda NaHCO3 used for baking produce which gas? Oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen. Correct answer CO2. In triglyceride molecules where our double bond is located? Within glycerol only, within fatty acid only, between fatty acid and glycerol there are no double bond. Within fatty acid. Question 54. Goiter is caused by iron deficiency, iodine deficiency, calcium deficiency, vitamin C deficiency. Correct answer B. Question 55. Primary purpose of ocean acidification is excess of oxygen, excess of carbon dioxide, excess of nitrogen, excess of sulfur dioxide. Excess of carbon dioxide. Correct answer. Largest natural satellite moon in solar system which around Jupiter? Question Io, Europa, Ganymede, Callisto. Ganymede. Correct answer. Question 47. What is the scientific term for attraction between two objects with mass? Friction, gravity, magnetism, inertia. Gravity. What is the scientific term for the quantity of matter that remain constant everywhere? Mass, density, weight, volume, mass. Water has maximum density at which room temperature? 2 degrees centigrade, 3, 4, 5. 4. Anemometer is used for measuring rain, heat, window, speed of air. Anemometer is used for speed of meter. Correct answer. Which is the purpose of electricity generation that does not involve in a turbine? Solar cells, wind power, nuclear power, hydropower. Solar cells. Dynamite, a safer and more powerful explosive than gunpowder, was invented by Albert Einstein, Thomas Edison, Benjamin Franklin, Alfred Nobel. Correct answer Alfred Nobel. Which scientist used radioactivity in physics and medicine? Marie Curie, Henry Becquerel, Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein. Marie Curie. Correct answer. Who first demonstrated radio waves in gramophone? Alexander Graham Bell, Thomas Edison, Einstein, Guglielmo Marconi. Correct answer Guglielmo Marconi. Which hormone control the blood sugar level in the body? Insulin, adrenaline, thyroxine, glucose. Insulin. The term oculist refer to heat, cancer specialist, skin, eyes. Hydroelectric energy is produced from air, water, wind, fire. Water. Which primary component of greenhouse gas contributes to global warming? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, nitrous oxide, methane. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer. Brass is an alloy of copper and copper, nickel, carbon, zinc. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Correct answer zinc. Who is credited with making the first controlled and sustained power flight? Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Henry Ford, Orville Wright. Correct answer Orville Wright. What is the shape of nearest galaxy to the Milky Way? Irregular, elliptical, spherical, cylindrical. Spiral. A shadow is formed opposite to which of the following? Light object AB in all direction. Light. Which vitamin caused blood clotting found in spinach leaves and leafy green vegetable? Vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin B. Correct answer vitamin K. The SI unit of charge? Coulomb, ohm, ampere, Faraday. Fraud. Coulomb. Who invented the electric bulb? Thomas Edison, Graham Bell, Tesla, Michael Faraday. Thomas Edison. Which mineral is used in cement industry? Calcium, limestone, salt, soda. Limestone. Correct answer limestone. Which is the difference between a star and a planet? Color, composition, mass, light and heat. Correct answer light and heat. Hardness of water is due to the dissolved salt of calcium and sodium. calcium and magnesium, potassium and carbonate, sulfate, calcium and magnesium. Which gas affect the ozone layer? Which gas affect the ozone layer? Nitrogen, oxygen, chlorofluorocarbon, carbon dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, CFCS. Correct answer. Sleeping is essential for health due to digestion of food, increase energy, improve health, repair of cells. Correct answer. Repair of cells. A nutcracker is an example of wheel and axle, pulley, lever, inclined plane, lever. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? Burning of paper, climate change, rusting of iron, ice melting, ice melting. Plankton is the basic food of fish, cow, fox, hen. Fish. Tea is a compound, mixture, atom, none of these. Mixture.